I'm going to talk to you a little bit about stacking and proper and not proper. Not proper is when you come to the pile and just lift it straight up and you're not able to get to the top of your pile. I'll back up to show you what happened. You end up starting to make a ramp with your snow. Now, I found out the best way to come into your pile is coming into it straight in and curling when you hit the pile, and then pull up straight up. Now this pile's going to tip and tip in to get a good stack. Now we'll be doing some more stacking here in a little bit. I'm just giving you a little bit of a lowdown. So I'd like to review the stacking one more time. What happens, as you can see, I got a pretty high stack going on, but improper stacking is just going and starting to lift up too premature. And what happens, your pile will keep creeping out. I mean, you could still stack, and once again, I can't show you, but if this is done time and time again, what we'll get is like a snow ramp. And as you can see, which I'm going to show you one more time, is that your pile will get not as high. That's where it ended up. Now, I'll go back in, and you don't have to beat the crap out of your machine to stack either. So, I'll sit back down just so I can get a scoop and get the pile off. But like I say, I like going in with a little bit of momentum, and I'll hit curl as soon as boom, and then try to get her, you know, right now my piles are high, so you just kind of cut that bottom out the best you can and keep stacking.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you'll be notified when the latest videos come out. You can also click the link down in the video description to be taken to snowpusher.com, where you can see our full product line, find your local dealer, and find other valuable information. As always, thanks for using ProTech.